How to improve graphics and resolution on PS5. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. It's very simple to go ahead and do this. There's PS5 settings and there's also PS5 Pro settings. So if you're on a PS5 Pro, what you could do is go over to your settings, then go over to screen and video like so, and go to video output, and you're going to see toggle enhance PSSR image quality. Once you go ahead and find that, that is going to be a big game changer for you, and you're going to be able to, basically enable that, and it's going to make things a lot nicer. And what I'd also recommend doing is going over to resolution and going over to the high supported one, whether you're on a PS5 or a PS5 Pro, and switching to this will force 4K. And also when it comes to auto low latency mode, set that to automatic. If you don't know where that is, it's going to be in the same area. So mine's currently on off, but setting it to automatic will give you the best processing, and as long as your TV supports it, of course. And then of course you can adjust HDR as well. I have mine set to always on, and that's it. You'll be good to go.